Hello guys, Marco Schwartz here, and in this video I will tell you how I invest in the stock market. So a lot of people have been asking me, including friends, how I invest in the stock market, and when I tell them that I actually put some of my money, like a large percentage of my investment in the stock market, they are thinking I'm crazy and that I'm just playing with my money and not invest in it. But I will tell you what it actually means to invest in the stock market, to make money, to generate passive income, and to lower the risk on your portfolio. But first, as in many of my videos, I will tell you what not to do when investing in the stock market. The first thing that you should not do, in my opinion, is just to play with your money and hope for short-term gains. What I mean by that is buying a hot stock that was recommended to you by some newspaper or some friend, hoping that it will go up in value and then sell for a very high gain. That works if you're an expert in the stock market. I'm not. I'm just a value investor that invests in very good stocks, but we'll come to that later. The other mistake is to invest in stocks in the market or funds that actually don't generate any cash. I love to get passive income from my investments. So when I see people investing in ETFs or stocks that are just for value, that actually don't pay any cash via dividends, this is something I would avoid, because I want to be able to use my investment to pay for my lifestyle or to pay for other investments, but not just have this money sitting there and growing, but not giving me anything back. The other thing that you should not do when investing in the stock market is to put all your eggs in the same basket. And that's valid for all investment actually. You should not put all your money into a single stock, even if it's perfect on paper, even if it's exactly as I will describe later what is a great stock. You should always diversify your investments, especially on the stock market. So let's finally see how to actually invest on the stock market. So what I do is called dividend growth investing, which means investing in companies that not only pay a dividend, so pay you some cash every quarter, every year, but also grow this dividend year after year. This is great because your investment will then generate a passive stream of income that will grow year after year. So you're not just investing in stocks, you're also getting your money back as you invest. Also, those companies that pay dividends but also grow these dividends year after year also are very solid companies, because it needs a lot of discipline for a company to be able to not only pay a dividend but grow it year after year. So it's usually very solid companies, which means your investment will be more secure than with other companies that don't have this discipline. So the question that people also ask me is, when do I sell? Well, the answer is really easy. I never sell, because I chose my investment so well at the start. I spend a lot of time choosing in which stocks I would invest, that they just pay me dividends year after year and grow this dividend, so I don't have to ever sell those companies. It might happen in the future, but for now I never sold a single position in my portfolio. Of course, you should also diversify investment in good dividend growth stocks. Even if you find the perfect dividend growth company, there are some at the moment that are just perfect on paper. Don't put all your money in those companies, because something can always go wrong. Also, as I said always on this channel, don't invest all your money in the stock market. Also invest in other great investments like real estate crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending. So to sum up in this video, I invest in the stock market by investing in dividend growth stocks, which are companies that pay dividends but also grow these dividends year after year, and this allows me to generate a steady and growing flow actually of passive income. So that's already the end of this video. Thank you for watching it. If you have any comments or feedback about this video, please leave it below. You can also find more information about investing but also growing your online business on my website at marcoschwartz.com. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.